Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen. I'm totally obsessed with decorating, DIYing, and shopping. So today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. I have already done a Dollar Tree Easter haul that was really good, so I'll have that linked down below in case you haven't seen it yet. I found some awesome new stuff and I knew that there was still more to come, so I went back to Dollar Tree to see what was new for Easter, and also I had to pick up a few things for a birthday party that I'm going to later this evening, so I am in a little bit of a rush. If this seems rushed, that is why. Forgive me, and let's just jump into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Easter and spring. I think that's what you guys really wanna see, and I was so excited to see this new sign at Dollar Tree. It is this really cute little bunny with the orange nose, which I love that they chose orange for the nose because it ties in with the carrots that say Happy Easter. There is a little bit of glitter on these, and I just love the carrot kind of motif that Dollar Tree is putting out. It's been popular at the other stores for the past couple of years now, but I love it because it's just natural and it's not too cutesy, because Easter can get too cutesy real quick. But yeah, I just thought this one was adorable. There were other new signs as well that you'll see at the end of the video. I have just a little bit of store footage of just a few new things that I saw, so definitely stick around to see that. And then I went ahead and picked up another one of these. I bought this last year, so it's not new, but it's just one of my favorite signs that Dollar Tree has ever come out with. I think that Dollar Tree's Easter signs might be the best of all of their seasonal signs. And this, it's so cute. It's so on trend. It has the galvanized metal here and at the top, and the faux kind of shiplap shape to it. So cute. And then this is how the two of them look together. So I really like that Dollar Tree gave us some pieces that are different but match, so that our decor can, you know, be cohesive. Like, I feel like I'm going to decorate with mostly Dollar Tree items this Easter because I don't really love to decorate for spring and Easter as much as I do for other seasons, so I don't want to spend too much on it, and I'm so happy that I found some stuff that I really like at Dollar Tree. And then these next items are hands down in my top 5 favorite items from Dollar Tree. I found these same items this time last year, and so many of you could not find them. So I was really excited when I started to notice that a few of my stores were putting these out again, and I went online and they are available online. So they are these bouquets. They're actually called bouquets on the tag. It says greenery bouquet, and they look so real. They have like a faux flocking on them, not like a snow flocking, but the kind of like fuzziness that you see on lamb's ear in real life, and they're really nice. So they come in a quantity of 36 online. If you can't find these in your store and you happen to need a large quantity of them, you can get 36 online. And I don't know if I have every version here. I have 3 different kinds. The first one I have is this. It has this kind of looks like thistle, right? Or maybe I'm wrong, but it has the fern leaves and this kind of purpley, grassy sort of a flower. My favorite is the lavender. It looks so good. It's so realistic, and it has these like wild kind of fuchsia pink thingies as well, and I love the leaves. And then the other one that I have is this one with the pinkish red berries and the yellow berries and lots of different kinds of leaves on it. There's a lot of times that I don't think it's really worth it to purchase online at Dollar Tree because a lot of the time you have to buy such a large quantity. But if you're having a wedding, these are so realistic that you can mix these in with your real flowers, or you can use them as just your only form of a flower, and they will be really elegant and classy looking. And I'm gonna link them below in case you're interested. I actually pulled mine apart last year and used them all the way through fall, so I got a ton of use out of mine. I still have a lot of it, and I just did a DIY with these actually. So I'll have that link below in case you haven't seen it. I'll throw a picture up on the screen as well. I made 3 different wreaths using these greeneries, and I think they turned out really cute. Also in that DIY where I used that really nice greenery, I used these carrots as well. I went ahead and picked up 4 more packs. I have a few friends who are looking for these, and I know that I could use another pack or 2, so I think I actually got a couple more and I just don't know where they are. For just $1, I don't mind getting maybe more than I need because I've seen these everywhere now. I've seen them at TJ Maxx, I've seen them at Michael's, and they are way more than $1. So if you see these, grab as many as you think you might need and add a couple extras because they're totally worth it in my opinion. So Dollar Tree has come out with a whole new collection of like storage bins and things like that, and I wish that I would have taken a picture of all of the new styles and the new color schemes that they have. I think it's kind of like pre-spring. I think we'll see something a little bit lighter and brighter when spring fully rolls around, but there are colors that are a little bit deeper like this. I think there was a darker gray and maybe like a tealy kind of turquoise color, but this is a new shape to me and it's very heavy duty. The quality is really good, and this came in another style as well that looked more like a loose basket weave. But again, I didn't take any pictures. I was in a rush, but this is a decent size. The quality is amazing and I love the color. I'm actually putting together a little gift basket for my best friend's dog. It's her first birthday today and we're going to her first birthday party. They requested no gifts, but you guys know me. I am like totally dog obsessed and crazy, and I love my best friend's dog, so she's getting a little gift basket. Anyways, I just thought this was really nice. So my best friend who's having the party for her dog, she told me that she ordered some decorations for the party, but they're not gonna be here until 8 p.m. tonight, and her party starts at 6. And she's running around trying to get prepared. I know this sounds so extra. You guys are probably judging so bad right now, but whatever, judge away. So I said, don't worry about it. Let me go pick up a few things at Dollar Tree. They have really cute party decorations. And so I got a few of these foil banners. They have like metallic circles, and I've seen these on Etsy for a lot of money. These are very popular for like bridal showers and bachelorette parties. And I'm thinking that I'm going to make like a photo backdrop with these for a bachelorette party that I have coming up in the spring. So I'll make sure to share that with you guys. So it comes in gold. I picked up one of each color, silver, and the rose gold, and I just think these are worth way more than $1. Like I said, on Etsy they cost closer to 10. And then I was really happy to see this. This is not new to Dollar Tree, but it is improved actually. So it is just a what do you call these, a tassel banner or a tassel garland. It has rose gold, white, cream, and like a blush pink. But they are perfectly placed in here. They're not crinkled. When these first came out, they were just like all crinkled, and when you would take them out of the packaging, they would look like crap, but they look super nice. I am so excited that I actually picked one of these up because I think these are a great deal. These are very expensive on Etsy and at like Hobby Lobby and stuff, but now that Dollar Tree has like improved their packaging and the care that they've put into this item, this is an amazing deal. And the last banner that I picked up, I went a little bit banner crazy, is this one here. It's just like pom-poms, tissue pom-poms. I've used these in party decorations before. They're really nice. They come in a lot of colors. I just picked the pink one because Rosie, the dog who is turning 1 today, is a girl, so I thought pink would be fitting for her. And yeah, I love these. They had some new tissue paper, and I thought this one was totally fitting. It has little dogs all over it, and I'm wrapping one of Rosie's like toys in this. It'll be really fun to see her tear it open. I do that with Chip now. When we get him toys, we wrap it up and let him tear it open because he loves tearing paper. But yeah, they had a ton of new patterns. There's footage of them at the end. And they actually had a unicorn one that I was debating on getting, but since it's a dog birthday party, I just had to go with the dogs. So the next item that I picked up, I actually got 2 of these. They are the decorative shred. It's in like a dark pink and a teal color with a little bit of iridescent clear shred in there too. And I'm just gonna put this in the gift basket that I'm putting together. I always get my shred from Dollar Tree. Like, I don't even know where else you get shred, probably Walmart and places like that, but it's just $1 at Dollar Tree, so that's where I always go for things like shred and tissue paper, and a lot of times wrapping paper too. I also picked up 2 of these number balloons from Dollar Tree. I'm so happy that they have these now. I'm tempted to just go ahead and get like doubles of each number just to have on hand for like all of the birthdays and stuff that I have coming up for friends and family. I got 2 of these for my dad's birthday. He turned 66 in January. So I got him 2 6s and I put them in like a potted plant, and it was really cute. I put it as a centerpiece on the table for when we went out to dinner, and it was really cute. So I got one for my friend's dog Rosie, and then I got one to put aside for my puppy Dory when she turns 1. Just a couple boring items, and then I saved one new beauty item for last, but I picked up 2 of these 16 counts of just disposable cups. My friend needed some cups, she forgot to pick them up, so I went ahead and just got her some at Dollar Tree. I also picked up these loot bags. I got her dog some bakery items. We have a doggy bakery here that makes like dog cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and things, and I'm just gonna put them in this little bag because the little box that it came in wasn't that cute, so I got these. And then the last item that I picked up, I think this is so cool. It is this silicone face mask applicator. I've seen these at like TJ Maxx and Sephora and stuff like that, and I've seen a lot of beauty gurus use these in their really annoying Instagram videos of them like doing a mask routine. So I thought for $1, let me just pick it up. It seems to be the most sanitary way probably to put a face mask on your face. Your hands carry a lot of germs, so let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like and kind of tell you what I feel about it. It's pretty small. It's like a travel size brush. It feels like silicone. So you would just dip this into your mask and then apply it to your face. And yeah, I think that's really cool. The same brand is Spascriptions. Okay, it's not the same brand. Oh yeah, it is, Global Beauty. Global Beauty is the brand that came out with those little mini gold, silver, and I can't remember what the other one was, face mask during Christmas time. So if you got those, I feel like this is intended to be used with those, and you might want to consider picking one of these up. Okay, so that was it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage at the end. Thank you for spending some time with me in today's video, and I will catch you back in a future one. Bye guys.
I can't send that. Where's like the regular ones, I wonder? I don't know. Yes, some.
Hand creams are in the shape of fruit. We have these. Look at these. Silicone face mask applicator. That's pretty cool. And then they also have these cool like oil slick looking eyelash curlers. I wonder if those are any good. So they have new tissue paper, and this one has unicorns. This one has a really pretty floral print. Oh my goodness. This would be cute for a baby shower gift. They have this plaid and some pastel, like watercolor polka dots. Mermaid scales. This would be cute for like a little boy's present or a little kid's. Robots, emojis.